Hi, today we will share with you a delicious and super fast taco recipe. You don't need to spend hours in the kitchen to make a delicious taco. You need corn flour, plain flour, water, salt, vegetable oil, red and white onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, avocado, lime, sour cream, duck fat, and a piece of meat. For seasoning we use garlic, oregano, cumin, coriander seeds, salt, and ground pepper. We start by making our tortillas. We pour in a bowl the corn flour, plain flour, water, the salt, and the oil. We give it a mix and we wrap the bowl with plastic wrap and let it rest for 15 minutes. While our dough rests, we make our Pico de Gallo. We finely dice the tomatoes, some bell peppers, you can find the exact amounts in the description below. Red onions, we squeeze a half lime and we season with salt and ground pepper. You can add cilantro or jalapeno peppers if you want. Our dough is ready, so we make small bowl shapes out of it. We put our dough balls between two pieces of baking paper. We flatten the dough with a rolling pin. We want it to be very thin. When done, we cut it to shape and we cook it in a hot pan. It needs roughly 30 seconds on both sides. We use the rolling pin to give its desired shape and we let it cool for a minute. It will be super crunchy, as we like it. This is a recipe which doesn't involve masa harina. We continue by making our guacamole. We clean the avocado, we recommend using a spoon because it's way easier. We crush it into a fine paste. We dice some tomatoes. And we add them to the avocado. We squeeze some fresh lime and we add some finely diced red onion. We season with salt and ground pepper. You can add fresh cilantro, garlic or cayenne pepper, it's up to your taste. We give it a mix and we are done. Now we continue by dicing a white onion. We clean a few cloves of garlic and we dice them too. We dice the meat in cubes. In a hot pan we add the duck fat. We wait until it melts. And we add the meat. We season the meat with black pepper, coriander seeds, cumin, oregano, and salt. We give it a good mix and we sear it until golden. Then we add the diced onion and the garlic. We mix it and we sear for another minute. Last we squeeze some lime and we are done with the cooking. Now we assemble our tacos. We start with the meat. Then we add our Pico de Gallo. The guacamole. And if you want, some sour cream. This is a super fast recipe. It doesn't involve cooking the meat for hours, and it is fresh and delicious. Just use the best quality ingredients you can. Try it out and let us know what you think. See you next time.